guys, welcome back to my channel Preeti and I'm Preeti. So today I'm gonna show you my kind of New Year's makeup look और मैं एक makeup tutorial बहुत दिनों बाद बना रही हूँ. I hope you guys will like it and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to it. So let's get started. First I'll use this Sugar Aquaholic Cream Stick for moisturizing my skin. Use the priming moisturizer of Sugar. So for concealing my face, I'll use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Use beauty blender to blend it all. Okay, let's just skip it. अभी थोड़ा मेसी लग रहा है but I will clean it up after the whole makeup is done. Eye makeup is done. Okay, so next thing I'll apply is the Swiss Beauty Blue Kajal and you can see the density of it. It's amazing. So let's get started. With this I'm also adding this green kajal that is of Ellen Blue. So after this we'll just smudge the ends with a brush. This glitter like this. I'm smudging it with see the effect of this. It's amazing. Now I'm done with the eyes. Eyeshadows are not. So now I'll clean up this mess around my eye corners with a concealer. मैं इसे डस्ट ऑफ कर दूंगी जो एक्स्ट्रा ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर था. Lash line. Green color show. Next is highlighter and highlighter के लिए मैं as usual my favorite Makeup Revolution का highlighter use करने वाली हूँ. Okay, I'll use the fan brush for this. लिपस्टिक के लिए मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ मैक का बस फ्लैट आउट फैबुलस लिप कलर। Okay, so on top of that I'll apply this shimmer. So here's my final look. This was my final look and I hope you guys loved it. I haven't planned it in this way, but the way it turned out, I'm really liking it. Actually, I'm loving it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you, love you all, and Happy New Year. And also make sure you let me know what are your New Year plans, and I'll be happy to know that.